Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Microsoft Word. So for you to do that, for you to add watermark in Microsoft Word, first go to page layout. So let's say you have a particular Word document or official document you are working on that requires you adding a underground or background text on the surface of the paper where you are working on. Just head over and click on page layout, then click on watermark. Then you can simply add any of this watermark on your paper. You can see confidential, and also you can also configure your watermark and configure into another thing you want and add it custom. Just click on custom. Then actually you can import a picture watermark from your system, or you can also use you can set a text. You can decide to include a text watermark on the paper. Then you choose the fonts, the size, the color, and the layout, if it is horizontal or diagonal. Once you do that, then you click on apply, and that is how to add watermark in Microsoft Word. You can do a full like and follow for more. Thank you.